Okay, we came outside. They're gonna drink water. Hey Maggie, Zoe's stretching. Hey, she's the biggest one of all. She's a good girl. She is mixed with the poodle and I don't know what else, but she has poodle and something else. Maggie, she's mixed with the pit bull and I think it's a boxer. Sorry, I'm a little sick. I sound bad. And Junior, he's mixed with the Shih Tzu and the Dachshund. And as you can tell, you can see the Dachshund on him. He used to be smaller. He got a lot bigger now since we've gotten him. He's been here a month already. Here's their backyard. It's a little messy, but they like to play around. Especially Maggie. She likes to run around a lot. Zoe, she's the real calm one. She just minds her own business, does her own thing. And Junior, he's so cute. He's just calm too. All of them get along really good. Sometimes I step on Junior though, but and that's his name, Junior. Oh yeah, you know already. What are y'all doing? They're gonna drink water. Y'all are being recorded. Y'all can be free and do whatever y'all want. You know, hey Zoe. Zoe, you're the cute one. Oh, my next door neighbor, she has a dog, and she just had puppies. She had like 5 of them. They're real little, so, and they're on the other side of that wall, so that's why they keep going over there. You know, because they keep smelling them, the babies. Hey Zoe, what are you doing? See what Maggie's doing. Smelling around, she probably needs to pee. Oh, we don't want to see that. Let's go see what Zoe is doing. Come on, Junior. Hey, Zoe. You getting lawn mow? Getting the molly lawn? Y'all heard something over there? Let's see if we can take a little peek at what's over here. Okay, you can probably see here's some puppies. That's what they keep looking at and trying to sniff. Princess, that's the dog's name, Princess. The one that had the puppies. She's laying down. Hey Princess, that's her. And these are her puppies. And man, look at Zoe. We're peeking through the little crack. Hey little guys, you're so little.